Huh? I can't find my screwdrivers anywhere. Like, where did they go?
This poor cat had an existential crisis.
Why are you doing this?
He was trying to force his cat to love him.
Over here. It's not that serious.
You can have one bite. It's pistachio ice cream.
This chunky monster of a boy. He's not overeating. I know that. Look at
The streamer's cat really loves her.
I don't know what she's looking at. He just flung cat litter out of the box. He's probably gonna do it again.